Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. This will be going out on Friday, and Friday's a great day for a treat, and this is a treat and a half. And in fact, I would recommend not to have this maybe just once a year because it seems really naughty. Well, you'll know by the title what it includes, but it does include a Mars bar, and I'm going to attempt to batter one, which sounds kind of nuts, and I'm thinking this isn't going to work, but I'm going to try. It's just that double dipping, you know, dip in flour, dip in the egg, dip in flour, dip in the egg, dip in flour, dip in the egg. I might do it as many times as I can manage. And then I think I'm going to try and freeze it and then cook it and see what happens. I'm also going to do a puff pastry version as well. Yeah, we've got to try, haven't we? We've got to try. So what I've added, this is 2 eggs, and I've added a bit of vanilla essence to sweeten it. That's some flour, and I've added a little pile of icing sugar just to try and sweeten the batter. I don't know if that will work, but I hope so. What else? Yeah, I think that's it really. It's quite simple, but hopefully really unbelievably tasty. It also may end in absolute disaster because I have no idea whether it will collapse and sink through the crisper plate holes. What I was going to say was the recipe and the cost breakdown will be at the end of the vlog, and I'll also add it into the description. So if you want to make a note of it or copy it or whatever it is, it's all there for you. Yeah. So, and I have some parcels to open, but I'll be getting on with that, so that's very exciting, especially for me. So yeah, let's get cracking and start cooking. I'm looking forward to this one. So are the boys. Right, let's crack on. So there's the Mars bar. It's only a little diddy one from Aldi, a pack of 4. Oh, yeah. Let's just see if any flour adheres to it. So the flour, not a little bit of ice and sugar in that, not a lot. So we'll just a little bit, just dump it in. So I'm going to stick it in this and stick it in the freezer. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to try not to touch it. Okay, let's stick it in the freezer. So I've got the second Mars bar, and I really want to create a kind of triangle. So I think that'll be the middle, let's say. See if this works. Right, I'm going to take all this out of the way, and we're going to stick this in the air fryer. A bit of egg wash. Job done. So there you are for the puff pastry Mars bar. I'm just waiting for the battered one to be frozen as much as possible. It's been in 20 minutes, but I've got parcels. So I thought, oh, let's open some. So exciting. Nice big one. Gosh. Ooh. I need these. Oh, look at that. thank you. Oh, thank you, Carol. You are the best. You're so sweet. Oh, a gift from Carol. Hope this helps. Love your videos and continue the great work you do, from Carol. Thank you so much, Carol. Now, which Carol? I'm guessing this is Carol Atkins. Carol, if I'm wrong, let me know, but I think I'm right. Thank you so much, Carol. Honestly, this is brilliant. Look at this. Oh, fabulous. I mean, yeah, I don't have to wash up my bowl even between uses. I've got a choice. Thank you so much, Carol. That's absolutely lovely. Thank you. Oh, brilliant. I've got another one. Oh, holy Moses. You are so kind, all of you, honestly. Oh my God, this is great. You can never have enough bowls, honestly. They look so nice, very swanky. Wow, stainless steel. Oh, does it say, is there a note? Hold on. No note. Oh, there's no note. I don't know who it's from. Thank you, whoever has sent it. And honestly, you can never have enough bowls. Look at this. This is a bit more than just bowls. Wow. Oh, that's so good. Look at that. So many little bowls. This is brilliant. With dips and things like that, you know. Salad. Wow. And I think it comes with some sort of plates. Ah, are these lids? What are these lids? Do you know what? I think these are lids. Oh, that's really handy. That is absolutely handy. And I love the colours. That's really brilliant. Thank you so much. I don't know who sent that. There's no note. I can't believe it. Oh, you see, look at that. That's quite really lovely. So you can really have a nice presentation with your salads and stuff like that. Brilliant. That's so lovely. It'd be hilarious if this was bowls too, wouldn't it? You can never have enough, honestly. I'll have to rejig my cupboards and create more space. I have quite a bit of oven stuff still lying around, so I can actually pack that up and put it in the shed. That will create space. Ooh, what's this? Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. An egg cooker? Blimey, oh, there's a note. Oh, Robert, a gift from Robert Brailsford. If I've said that right, Robert. So, Kerry, enjoy this egg cooker. Makes great boiled eggs and omelettes. Omelettes as well. There's more as well. Don't get egg bound. Your videos are great, from Robert Brailsford. Oh, Robert, that is so kind. That really is. Wow. Thank you so much. That is, look, it's got an omelette tray. There's the eggs and look, twin poached egg tray. Wow. That's probably uses less electric than a Ninja actually to do poached eggs. Poached eggs are one of my favourites. And I do love an omelette. And when I make my own spinach and spring onions, oh, it'll be great fun to just chuck it in. That's a fantastic gift. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you to the anonymous stainless steel bowl. Love them. The fact that they've got lids as well is so handy for the fridge and all that kind of stuff to keep it fresh. Robert, thank you so much for this. That's absolutely lovely. And Carol Atkins, I love my mixing bowls and I'm going to be using them when I make my cakes. So that's absolutely lovely. Thank you everybody. And I'll use this box in the allotment. Ooh, once I've stripped it. Oh, thank you. That is absolutely lovely. Right, I reckon we can get on and cook these Mars bars. Ha, that'll be tasty. I've got some ice cream lined up to go with them as well. Yeah, I'm trying to find out how much they cost in chip shops because I know chip shops do them. My local one, I know they do them, but they're not on their website, which makes me wonder whether they're not for delivery because that's probably what you can just come in and go in and ask for one. But I might try and find out, maybe ring them, just get an idea of how much it costs because it'll be very interesting. Oh, my gifts are so lovely. Thank you so much. Right, let's get back to cooking. See you in a bit. Okay, so we're at Mars Bar Wars, the battered Mars bar. and the puff pastry, so the pastry bites, I suppose. I don't really know what to call that, but either way, they're going to go in there each straw, and we're going to cook them for however long it takes. I'm not actually sure about times. So let's just put that one in there first. And then this one. Oh, let's hope this works. Let's get rid of these. Okay, so it's going to be match. Air fry. Should we say 10 minutes? Gosh, I don't know. We'll probably have to flip them as well, I should imagine. Right, let's say 10 minutes and see what happens. See you in a bit. Let's have a peek. Ooh. Well, that's looking good. I might. Oh my gosh. Right, let's check this one. Oh god, this is the one that's likely to... Ooh. Well, I mean, it could be worse. Right, let's carry on cooking. Out to wind. Ooh, let's check it out. Oh. Ooh. My god. That looks good. Oh god, and this one. Oh no, look at that. Little bit of leakage. It's still more, I don't know, it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. I really thought it'd be like a flattened splodge. Might have been better to keep it in the stainless steel bowl actually. Right, let's get these served up and yeah, we can try them out. Ooh. Right. I don't know how to do this because there's just two. I'm not going to eat them both, absolutely not, but I'm going to taste test both of them and then the boys are going to have them, finish them off. I don't know, yeah. Trying to do the thumbnail. God, the puff pastry one looks fantastic. I absolutely like that. I like the triangular shape of it. The Mars bar one doesn't look as pleasing, but I bet it tastes fantastic. So with that in mind, let's do the taste test. I'm going to use a knife and a fork to break into it. So let's come and watch, especially the puff pastry one. Let's break it open in the middle. Cool, check that out. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Right, I'm just gonna, oh dear, how to do this? This is tricky. I like the icing sugar on top, that's quite pretty. Okay, let's set you up, let's sort this out. Oh. Right, it's got to be one bite, and that's me, because this is one of those where you shouldn't really eat this very often because it's utterly naughty. Got to have a bit of ice cream on my one and only bite. Oh, any more and I'll be in trouble with the boys. Oh God. Mmm. Oh my God. That's like the nicest thing I've ever tried in a long time. Oh my God. The puff pastry with the Mars bar. The Mars bar is all melted. A little bit of ice cream. And this is a pudding that would, well, anyone would be impressed by this. And it's so easy with the puff pastry. I like that. Oh my God, that is a treat. That is such a treat. Now we've got to go for the, oh my God. Right, oh, let's break it open. And it feels quite really hard, the outer bit. Really melted inside though. And I'm amazed it formed this. God knows what it's going to taste like. Bearing in mind I sweetened the egg. Oh, my mouth's watering. Oh God. Yeah, it's tougher. The God, just by looks and stuff, the puff pastry might be a winner compared to the air fried battered version. But it tastes good though. Hold on. Oh my God. It's chewy, but it's chewy with deliciousness. Because you've got the vanilla essence in the egg. And I put the icing sugar in the flour, so it's sweet, real sweet. Oh, you really feel you're eating something there. My God, that's delicious. I can't eat anymore. The boys are going to kill me if I do. I'd make that again, but it's a Friday night treat once every few months. That's beautiful. Calorie wise, it's probably, I won't even, it's going to be up there, isn't it? Oh, I'm really pleased with the results though. I'll probably just do the puff pastry one though, for future, you know, for easiness and all that, and it looks lovely with the icing sugar. But the battered one's delicious, but it's a bigger faff. But if you had the time and the energy, it's well worth it. Oh, that was good fun. Good fun for a Friday's vlog. Thank you everybody for watching, and thank you Robert Brailsford and Carol Atkins for my fantastic gifts. I'm really going to have fun with that egg cooker, and I'm definitely going to use your mixing bowls are brilliant. Versatility in size and all that kind of stuff, very useful. And the anonymous stainless steel bowl mixer, they're great because they've got those uses in the fridge and to be able to store food in them and salads and stuff like that. With the lids, airtight lids, they are fantastic. Really looking forward to using them all. Thank you so much. And thank you everybody for watching and subscribing and commenting and all that kind of stuff. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good weekend, everybody. Take care. Bye. Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. Oh, it's Friday today, so, well, it's not actually Friday today, but this will be going out Friday. Oh no, start again.